Today I'm going to be building a simple cucumber trellis. You probably can't see this. These are 7 feet long, a little bit over 7 feet. Cucumber trellis could be even 6 feet. Like behind me, this is a 6 feet one, but it's not the best. So I'm going to put this on because I'm going to be putting a lot more cucumber plants and it's going to get heavy. Step back right here, you guys could see a full view of it. I'm going to be hitting that down with a hammer there. Put it down maybe 6 inches down deep. I'm gonna be putting one in the middle too to make it strong, and I'm gonna be putting some 1x3. All right, so what I did, I hit that 1, 2, and 3 down with the hammer. I hit it down about 6 to 7 inches down, and this right here is a 1x3, and I'm basically gonna put it on top of it, crossway like that, and then I'm gonna put 2 screws from the top above. All right, so I end up putting the 2 piece of 1x3 on the top, so I might just end up using the old one as an extra security. So I have my garden twine, and it's not the world's strongest twine, but it's strong enough for the cucumber plants. If you feel it's not too strong, you could always double it like this, but I use it single like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tie it up top and just hang it down straight down. So 1 string for 1 plant. 1 plant is there, so I'm gonna tie the string right above it. If you guys could see, I just wrap it around twice and then I tied it a couple times. Nothing crazy or too fancy. So then I'm gonna bring the string all the way down, and what to do, I match it with the plant where the roots are. Look, the main root right there. So you could do the string all the way to the ground, let it touch the ground, and then cut even a little extra. And this is my cucumber plants. You could see it's already was starting to run. As I told you guys, I like to remove the suckers from at least from the bottom halfway up to 2 feet. You know, I kind of run a little late on this. Too much stuff was going on, so I'm just gonna pinch off some of the suckers. So it's never too late, you know, to basically run your plant. And I will prune off some bottom leaves too. If you guys have 10 plus leaves, always you could take out 1 to 2 leaves. It's not a big deal. It's actually good for the plant, healthy airflow. Kind of guide this string, wrap this string around, and I pull it a little tight, but be careful. And you see I'm just wrapping around the plant. And as the plant, you could use a twine, you could use a garden twine or something to tie the plant, but if you wrap it like this, you don't need to use any other thing. The plant will hold itself on the string as it's going. All right. And as the plant is growing, your job every day to come and wrap it like that. Be gentle, and I'm a little rough, but I've been doing this. That's how I wrap it, and you see that, so I don't have to use any tie or anything, just like twist the stuff around it and it holds on. And as the plant grow about 2 feet, I will remove a couple more leaves at the bottom, so it'll be full airflow, nothing touching the bottom or anything like that. And I did, you know, I did remove some of the suckers. You could see one more here. I like to pinch them off, but after 2 feet, I'm not gonna pinch off any more suckers. Those suckers are gonna grow into extra cucumber plants, basically producing a lot more, giving me a lot more time. And I do have time, so this is good. So we kind of have about a lot of leaf, and this one is touching the bottom. I don't like it when it touches the bottom. See that? So see that? Look, oh, there's a weed. I gotta get rid of all of those weeds. See, nothing is touching the bottom. So even if the rainfall or I water, nothing will wet my leaf. There's less chance of disease or bugs or anything, and that's how it's gonna be growing upward. So that's how I'm gonna do all of the rest. Basically, sending the string down, bang, 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 bang. All right, so this is how we're looking. You can see I have strings right through. Strings are tying them up, and this is how they're gonna be running, growing upward, which is going to be easy to maintain in the garden, especially if you have a small garden like me. See that? So I'm going to do update videos as it's growing. Every 2 to 3 days you got to guide them. You got to keep guiding them as they go and wrap them around. So you don't have to use any ties or anything. You just have to guide them every 1 to 2 days. Keep going. If you miss 3-4 days, they're going to be hanging down. So you do not want that. You want to make sure you keep up the progress with this. So thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. Just wanted to show you how I'm building my easy homemade cucumber trellis. I'm not going anything fancy or anything crazy because it's only a short summer. As I show you guys, I prune everything on the bottom. I'm pruning at least 2 feet, removing all of the plant suckers, and this way all the energy is focused on the top, which is going to give me faster production, and I'm going to get maximum production in less time. If you're new, welcome to Green Tea Garden. We're all about growing a better home garden. Subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button, followed by the bell icon, and it's 100% free. I'll see you guys next time coming up on Green Tea Garden.